Welcome to today's video. Today I've just got a really kind of casual, informal video. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. If you don't, you should. But I've been sharing on Instagram that we are in the process of moving into an office space. Yay! For BK Beauty, which is so exciting because we've been doing all of this from our house. My downstairs has just been like a shipping warehouse, which, you don't realize it, but when your house is just filled with boxes and shipping labels and crinkle paper, and I mean, it just creates a lot of anxiety. And so I'm really happy to kind of get that all out of the house and be in an office space. I do plan on doing an office tour when we get all of our furniture in and all decorated, which should probably be only a couple of weeks. But one of the really cool things about the office that we're moving into, it has a little shower, and it doesn't have a full kitchen, but it has a little sink area, kind of like a little mini kitchen. And at first I thought I wouldn't get much use out of that shower in there, but then the more I thought about it, I'm like, you know what? I actually could see myself going to run Town Lake, which is an area about 10 minutes from there, which I run all the time. I love Town Lake. And then coming to the office and showering and getting ready there. So I wanted to pack a little makeup bag of products that I keep at the office that I can just use to get ready. Now I'm going to always do my filming from my home here. I'm not going to change that. So with that in mind, I only need products that's just kind of the bare minimum, just like the staples, just because I'm not going to be filming there. I don't need my makeup there. I really just need kind of the bare essentials. So I wanted to share with you guys what I am packing in this bag, because I thought that's kind of fun. When I was thinking of products to pull, I was like, okay, I need something that, kind of quick and fast to apply, but that, just makes me feel confident enough to where I can just use the minimum, but still feel like I have a full face on. So that's what we're going to be doing today. But before we start that, I do want to say, wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving if you celebrate Thanksgiving, if you're here in the United States. I'm filming this on Tuesday, so Thanksgiving is just in 2 days, but this will probably go up right after Thanksgiving. But I just love this time of year. It's my favorite time of year. I feel like it's just all the cozy vibes. Yeah, so I'm really excited about this week and then the next month. Okay, so let's look at what we have in here. Oh, this bag, by the way, is by Stephanie Johnson. I ordered this on Nordstrom's website a while back. I've had this for at least a year or maybe two. I can't keep track of time. Okay, so we're going to start with kind of from start to finish, right, of what I apply on my face. So I did grab a couple of skincare products. I just grabbed 3. I'm going to show you what those are. They are all by Colleen Rothschild. Colleen Rothschild is sponsoring this video, and I want to share it with you guys, her Black Friday sale that's happening right now, and it goes through the 30th. You get 30% off site-wide. Site-wide. I think that might be the biggest discount that I've ever seen them offer on their website, across the board on all products. There is a code. It's BF2019. Everything will be in the description box below. I have past videos of all my favorite products. I'm not going to walk through all of my favorite Colleen Rothschild products because that's a video in itself. But the 3 that I have to share with you guys, the first is the Radiant Cleansing Balm. I definitely need a cleanser there because I am going to be coming from exercising more than likely, and I'm going to need to cleanse my face. And so I have a muslin cloth for that as well. I love this balm. It just emulsifies and breaks down makeup and just melts it right off, and it smells amazing. I think I have 3 or 4 of these in all areas of my house. For my moisturizer, I'm packing the Sheer Renewal Cream. I really love this moisturizer because it's super lightweight, making it perfect product to apply when you're in a rush, because you can apply your makeup pretty immediately right after. You don't have to allow a lot of time for it to seep into your skin or absorb into your skin. It's also got a really cool, innovative feature that it turns into, it dries to a powder-like finish. So it's a really great daytime moisturizer, great for oily skin. So I have this one. And then of course I'm bringing my Complete Eye Cream. This, I think I've been using exclusively this eye cream since I discovered Colleen Rothschild a few years ago. It just checks all my boxes because it's rich enough for nighttime use, but it's also, it's light enough, I guess. It's rich enough, but it's light enough. That sounds like opposites, right? But it works great under makeup too. So I can apply it and then apply concealer shortly after. It's not too heavy. It's not too rich. You know what I mean? I can apply makeup over it and it works just perfectly fine, but I also use it at night and it gives me all the moisture that I need. I love it, love it, love it. I'll even sometimes refreshen up underneath my eyes with it. I usually keep, not all my skincare, but I keep this and I keep this in my skincare fridge here at home. I don't think I'll buy a skincare fridge for the office. That would be a little fancy, wouldn't it? But I have to say, I love having a skincare fridge, you guys. I don't keep the balm in there, but I keep my serums, my eye cream, just because it feels so good, cold. These are still cold because I just pulled them out of the fridge, and I'm kind of thinking that I'm spoiled now. I feel like I might need to get a fridge there, but I don't have a lot of space, so we'll see. Although we do have a mini fridge. Okay, I'm getting off the topic here. Okay, so let's move into foundation. The foundation that I'm bringing is the L'Oreal Pro Glow. I recently did a video comparing this to the La Mer foundation, and I was actually pretty surprised that this was as good, if not maybe a little better than La Mer. I don't know. I love the La Mer, so I don't know. I feel crazy saying that, but it's so, so good. And I love this when it first launched, and doing that video just reminded me how great it is. So quick and easy to apply. It lasts all day. It looks really natural, but it gives great coverage. So this is coming with me. I actually think I need to get a new one soon. For concealer, I'm bringing the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away Liquid Concealer. I like this concealer a lot for the lesser makeup days because it's not heavy. It's not full coverage. It's a very kind of light, natural looking coverage. It's light enough to where you don't even really have to wear foundation with it. You can put it underneath your eyes and blend it into the cheeks or around the face, and it's gonna just give that coverage, but not so much coverage that it looks odd. You know, if you use a full coverage concealer under your eyes and then you don't use any foundation, it can kind of look a little weird. This blends in so nicely that you can use it with or without foundation. So I'm bringing this, and it's really easy to apply. So the powder that I'm bringing is the No. 7 Lift and Illuminate powder. I love this powder. I'm gonna apply a little bit of it right now, actually. It has a little pigment to it, so it's not a translucent powder, but it just sets the makeup and kind of like blurs out texture, pores. If you have large pores, it'll kind of soften that a little bit. And it's pressed. I didn't want to bring loose powder to the office because I want products that are really quick and easy to apply and that don't really make a lot of mess. So for bronzer and blush, I grabbed the Becca Cosmetics Capri Coast Bronzer. I forgot how much I like this. Like, I actually hit pan on this a while, but it's been a while since I've used it. I was kind of going through my drawers just grabbing things that, you know, like this for particular, I grabbed it because I love my Marc Jacobs bronzer and my Hourglass, that I wanted that to be here on my days that I would do really my makeup up. But this is a really nice, like, light bronzer that gives the skin a little bit of a sun-kissed glow, that I thought I would bring it to the office. And then I brought this blush palette by Jouer. It's the Rose Gold Blush Duo, and I'm not even sure if they still sell this. I think I got this at Christmas time a year ago or so at Nordstrom, and I'm not even sure that it's still available, but I love the shade, so I thought it'd be a great one to bring. Oh, I forgot to put this into the skincare routine, the Unseen Sunscreen. I like this because it's a sunscreen, but it's also a makeup primer, so definitely wanted something like this there. Now, I'm only bringing a couple products for the eyes, and I'm actually not bringing any eyeshadows. For eye color and liner, I'm bringing the Charlotte Tilbury Color Chameleon in the shade Golden Quartz. This is a new product that I picked up. It's like an eye crayon, but look how beautiful that color is. It's like this olive gold bronze. It's so nice. This you can use as shadow by like smudging it with your finger. You can use it as an eyeliner. I really, really love this. I want to pick up more shades. This is the only one I have, but I really like the formula, so I will probably pick up more shades in this. And then I brought my lash primer and my mascara. I recently took off my eyelash extensions. Today I have on strip lashes, but normally at the office I won't. I'll just pop on my mascara. So I got a new thing of my favorite lash primer. It's the Dior Show Maximizer. And then this new mascara that my lady at Sephora talked me into. It's the Caviar Volume Laura Mercier mascara. And so far so good. I've been using this about a week or so, and I like it. It's hard to tell if I love it, because my lashes right now, you guys, are in such a short, like, sad stage that I think even if I tried the best mascara in the world, it's just still disappointing. So once my lashes grow, I'm using my lash serum right now to help them grow, the new lash. A few weeks from now, I think I'll really be able to tell how much I like this, but this is the combo that I am using right now. And then for lips, you guys, just what I have on. I just am bringing this one product by Revolution Beauty. It's the I Love Revolution Heart Chocolate Lip Gloss, and I have the shade Chocolate Orange. It's all I have on my lips. I don't have a lip liner. I don't have any lipstick. This is it. I really like this product because it is a gloss and lipstick in one. Like, it has enough color that you don't need to put a lipstick with it. It's very pigmented, but it's also very glossy. I really, really love it. I think it's just a really easy one product lip to have. And that's it. That is what I'm going to be taking to the office. I can't wait to share it with you guys. It's such an exciting time right now. And I can't wait to give you guys a little tour. It's been fun kind of decorating. I've been getting everything online, but it's all coming together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are having a restful and relaxing weekend. I know that this time of the year can be really, it can be so nice and cozy, but can also be really stressful. I mean, let's just be real. It can be really stressful. So try to enjoy this time. Try not to let yourself get overwhelmed or stressed. And pro tip, just do everything online. Shop from the comfort of your own home. I'm going to have everything I used linked in the description box below, including all the details on Colleen Rothschild's Black Friday sale. And I'm going to link a blog post that I did with a few other recommendations of favorite products of mine from her line. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.